Build anything with Gemini, Whisk plus Google AntiGravity. Here's how. What if you could design a landing page, screenshot it, and let AI redesign the whole thing in seconds? No Figma, no designers, no back and forth. Google just made UI design completely different. You can build a page, screenshot it, upload it to Whisk, and get back a redesigned version that looks professional. Then you take that design and rebuild it in anti-gravity. The whole process takes minutes, not hours, not days, minutes. I'm going to show you the exact workflow, step by step. This is how apps will be built from now on. No more waiting on designers, no more expensive tools, just you and AI. Let me show you how it works. All right, let's talk about something that's going to change how you build apps forever. Google just released 2 tools that work together in a way that's honestly kind of insane. The first one is called Whisk. The second one is called AntiGravity. And when you use them together, you can design and build apps without touching Figma, without hiring a designer, without any of the usual back and forth that takes forever. Here's why this matters. Most developers can't design, most designers can't code, and even when you have both, the handoff between Figma and development is slow and messy, things get lost, colors are wrong, spacing is off, it takes forever to get it right. But now there's a better way. Anti-gravity builds the structure and logic, Whisk handles the visual refinement, and together they create a loop that lets you design with AI feedback. This isn't just building faster, this is a completely new way to work. Let me explain what these tools actually do. Whisk is a visual AI experiment from Google Labs. Instead of typing prompts, you upload images, you give it 3 things, a subject, a scene, and a style. Then Whisk generates new visuals based on those inputs. But here's what makes it special. Whisk just got 2 huge updates. The first is called Precise Mode. This preserves layout, facial features, structure, and style. That's critical for UI work because you don't want your layout to change every time, you just want it to look better. The second update is Refine with Gemini 2.5 Flash. This lets you do fast, iterative visual editing. You can polish colors, spacing, typography, all the little details that make a UI feel professional. Whisk isn't about making art, it's about visual thinking for AI. Now let's talk about AntiGravity. AntiGravity is Google's agent-first AI development platform. It's powered by Gemini. The agents inside AntiGravity can write code, render UIs, test them in a browser, and refactor based on your feedback. The key strength here is that you describe intent, not implementation. You don't need to know CSS, you don't need to know React, you just tell the agent what you want. And it handles HTML, CSS, React, layout logic, responsiveness, all of it. AntiGravity builds the app. Whisk makes it look right. That's the combo. I'm going to walk through the exact steps. Step 1, build a landing page in AntiGravity. You open AntiGravity and you prompt an agent. You could say something like create a modern landing page for the AI profit boardroom, include a hero section that explains how AI automation helps businesses grow, add a features section showing the benefits of the community, include testimonials, and a strong call to action button. Keep it clean and responsive. The agent generates the UI, you preview it live in the browser, it works, it's functional, but it looks generic. The layout's fine, but the design is boring. Step 2, screenshot the live UI. You take a full page screenshot of what the agent just built. This screenshot becomes your design input, and here's the key insight. Whisk doesn't need code, it needs visual intent. You're not giving it technical specs, you're giving it an image. Step 3, upload the screenshot to Whisk. You go into Whisk and upload that screenshot as the subject. Then you add a style reference. Maybe you want it to look like linear or Stripe or Apple or a dark SaaS aesthetic, whatever fits your brand. Then you enable Precise Mode. This is important. Precise Mode keeps your layout intact while improving the visuals. Then you click Whisk it. Step 4, refine with Gemini 2.5 Flash. This is where the magic happens. You use the refine feature to improve specific things, color palette, typography, hierarchy, spacing and rhythm, button styles, visual contrast. But here's what you're not changing. Layout, section order, component structure. This is AI-driven UI polish, not redesign chaos. You're not starting over. You're making what you already have look better. Step 5, choose the improved UI output. Whisk will give you a few options. You pick the best one. This becomes your visual spec, your design direction, your UI reference. No Figma, no designer handoff, just a clean visual target. Step 6, rebuild the UI in AntiGravity. Now you go back to AntiGravity, you upload the Whisk image, and you prompt the agent. You say something like, update the landing page for AI Profit Boardroom to visually match this design. Keep the same layout and content, but improve the styling, colors, spacing, and typography to match the reference image. Make it look professional and modern. The agent adjusts the CSS or Tailwind or components. It matches the visuals closely. It validates that everything is responsive. And you're done. You now have a landing page that looks professional and works perfectly. Step 7 is optional but powerful. You can repeat the loop: anti-gravity, screenshot, whisk, refine, anti-gravity. Each time you do this loop, the visual quality improves. You reduce guesswork, you speed up shipping. This is iterative design with AI, and it's faster than anything else out there. Here's the final takeaway. Anti-gravity builds, Whisk refines, Gemini connects everything. This is how apps will be designed going forward, visually, iteratively, and with agents. You're not going to need expensive design tools. You're not going to need long handoff processes. You're going to describe what you want, let AI build it, screenshot it, refine it with Whisk, and rebuild it over and over until it's perfect. This workflow is fast, it's cheap, and it's accessible to anyone. So here's what you need to do next. Try Whisk, go to Google Labs and play with it, upload some screenshots and see what it can do. Try Anti-Gravity, sign up and build something simple. A landing page, a dashboard, whatever. Just get your hands dirty and then combine them, use the loop I just showed you. Build once, refine infinitely. That's the power of this workflow. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and over 100 AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. It's our free AI community. Links in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 40,000 members who are crushing it with AI. These are real people building real things with AI tools, sharing what works, sharing what doesn't, learning together. If you're serious about AI, you need to be in that community. Also, if you want more advanced training on AI automation, check out the AI Profit Boardroom. That's our premium community where we go deep on workflows, tools, and strategies. You get templates, you get SOPs, you get direct access to people who are actually doing this stuff, not just talking about it. If you want to build a business with AI or automate the one you already have, the AI Profit Boardroom is where you need to be. Link is in the description. That's it for today. Go try Whisk and AntiGravity, build something, refine it, ship it, and let me know in the comments what you create. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so drop your questions below. I'll see you in the next one.